Damn, it's raining. Car photography while it's raining. That's gonna be wild as fuck. Time to see if my Nikon Z50 is waterproof. Oh, I'm cooked if this bitch gets fried. I'm actually gonna cry. I'm actually gonna cry if my camera like dies from the rain. Shouldn't be that bad though. It's like just a little bit of moisture. Just a minor amount. A small amount of wetness. Alright, fuck it. We ball, no glasses. Damn. That's actually heat. This is so gas. It's raining a lot. And I'm scared my camera's gonna get wet.
Just don't take photos then.
Yeah, but I need content. These shots are gonna be straight heat though, trust.
Everybody follow Theo on Instagram.
Oh my
Everybody
God.
follow him. He needs 100,000 followers for his photos.
That'd be amazing.
Everybody go follow Theo right now. Go push the follow, like and subscribe.
Jesus.
It's gonna be all like, yeah.
I'll put that at the start of the video. End performance? My God, that's a flex. I'm gonna, oh, my bad. I'm gonna scooch back. I think my white balance is very off. Oh goodness, that's why. Oh yeah. That's sick. That sounds like a trumpet. Oh my God, is that a 430i? Purple's sick. 230i.
Fucking massive. Look at the orange one. Look at the orange one coming in. Oh, that's the biggest wing I've ever seen on a 86.
I don't have my glasses on.
I don't think you're going to be able to miss it, to be honest. Not that one. The next one. Look at this. GT3 RS one. Let's just walk over to it.
Yeah, let's actually go over to it.
I'm blind as fuck.
Look at the fucking size of that wing, bro.
Jeez. Fuck. Holy shit.
Is that Grimsby? It's Grimsby.
Bro.
It's the same wing that your daddy has.
That's mental. Oh my fucking God.
Oh my God, man.
Ah! I haven't seen you in forever.
What's up, daddy?
That wing is massive, Christ. I can't get over that wing. That is insane. What the hell? No, it's cool. I'm chilling. We're good.
Watch out.
Huh?
Big dog is cooking.
I think it's burnt.